In the world of design, a hero is born, crafted from blueprints where visions are drawn. He bends the lines, commands the space. Meta Man leads with a steady pace. Meta Man, master of the cat domain, creating designs, pushing the rain from sketches to life. He shapes the new Meta Man, the future's in view. Meta Man, Meta Man, Meta Man, building with precision. In the digital world, he's on a mission. From Solidworks planes to 3D mind.
Wait a moment. It was an epic intro to introduce him. But more than I wanted? Let's balance it!
Why you bully me?
Wait. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Wait.
From Solidworks planes to 3D might, he crafts the future from morning to night. Started with a sketch, now watch him shake. Meta Man's moves will make the earth quake. In the realm of CAD where ideas flow, with every shake his power grows. From drafts to motion in every plan, Meta Man's grooving the digital land. Meta Man, master of the CAD domain, from sketch to 3D he'll shake and rain. Creating designs, shaking it too. Meta Man's grooving for you. Meta Man, master of the CAD domain, from sketch to 3D he'll shake and rain. Creating designs, shaking it too. Meta Man, he's grooving for you. Meta Man, building with precision. With every move, he's on a mission.